Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure VLC and the AI subtitle plugin are installed and up to date. You load the video and select the correct audio track so the tool hears the right speaker. Next, pick a model size. Smaller models give speed, larger models give accuracy. Choose based on your hardware. Once done, enable the plugin, confirm language, and press Start Transcription to generate live captions or a transcript file. Once transcription runs, you actively monitor the output so you catch mistakes early. If audio drops or overlaps, increase input gain or switch to the mixed stereo track. This improves clarity. Make sure punctuation and speaker separation are enabled so subtitles read naturally, and adjust segmentation or max line length to avoid mid-word breaks. Also decide whether you want interim updates for live viewing versus final SRT export. This trade-off balances latency and quality. To finish, export the transcription as SRT or VTT, and then load that file into VLC using Subtitle Add Subtitle File. You should then fine-tune timing with subtitle delay or playback synchronization, and change font size if lines overlap. If captions seem misaligned or missing, check the plugin logs, confirm the correct audio source, and retry with a different model or offline transcription. This often fixes accuracy issues when live capture struggles due to noise or low volume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.